shit, shower, shave. We are ready for the day. Today we are fitting one designer tail rail. What's the job in the afternoon? Oh, and a power shower, electric power shower. And they're somewhat electric. You know what I mean. Mira, what's it? Mira Event XE XS. If you know what that is, you know what it is. Anyway, timestamp here for if you want to get straight into the video, and for the rest of you, if you want to hear me waffle, I'm gonna have my little morning natter whilst the car's warming up. So, I've read through all of your comments. Obviously, I've read through all of your comments because there's only about 30 comments per video. So, anyone that's telling you, oh, I missed that comment, bollocks. We get notifications, we know every single comment that gets left, and it's up to us when we put out these videos, when you've got so little subscribers, to read every single one or respond to every single one. If we want to, you get me. First little tinge of negativity, see a few people, not about me, but talking about other content creators and stuff. I'm not interested. I'm genuinely not interested. I'll tell you why. I don't watch other plumbing creators in the UK. Just don't. Why would I? Because if I do, you know I'm only going to end up just like subliminally copying them. Yeah, copying what they do, looking at what they do. I've got my thing. If you want to jump on the ride and you want to you know, watch the way that I do things and the way that I talk, and probably don't give much of a fuck about how I sound and how I act sometimes, because I'm riddled with ADHD. So what was I going to say? If you don't like the vertical filming, even though most of you are watching on your phone, unsubscribe and I'll just replace you with people that want to watch it like that. That's my point, really. I don't care enough about making stuff for other people. It's making stuff for myself, and if you like what I'm trying to do, then come on board for the ride, and I'll appreciate you immensely if you enjoy, you know, the sort of stuff that we're going to be doing, which is supposed to be a lot funnier than this. So let's just fucking get straight into the video, motherfuckers. Right, we're here outside the customer's gaff. Ooh, I think I can see some movement in the kitchen. Let's go get a cup of tea. Cheers, boys. Got that on there. Now look for a checklist. And parts of sieve, radiator bracket, air vent, plug. Put spacers on brackets, which I think would have been rubbers. Can't find them anywhere, been for everything. Right, we need to work out where we're going to put the brackets. One there, and you can see it's in a line, centre of this. Right, we're not going to worry about centering there, we're going to worry about centering it from this light switch. That's our centre. Okay, centre's there, lined up. So, one bracket there, one bracket there. Right, so level with the valves there, and then I want to. Right, so that's going to be our line there. When you put these brackets on, you can go right, and they're going to sit on an angle about there. Measure the distance between there and the centre, which is 6 60 mil. So 60 mil, 60. Oh. Right there. Okay, so offer the bracket up. One there, one there. One there, one there. Right, well I've had to go off. It's going to beep now. Ready? Ready? Gonna beep. There we go. There's the beep. There's the beep. Had to get some extended radiator tails. You'll see why, because it's a smaller radiator, but because it's on 8 or possibly 10 mil microbore, and it's already a bit bent to its limit, I don't want to go breaking it. So we are going to use some radiator extension tails. We've got one for each side, so we can even it out rather than, because I've centered it, rather than one side being longer than the other, so that centered up. It will look all right. And then a new radiator head. These Bulldog ones fit loads of different ones. And as you can tell from that job, I'd already been in there. The radiator, because obviously the radiator was off the wall. I'd done another radiator in the living room, but the radiator in the living room I ordered, it was just a bog standard one. Yeah, bub. And the new one, this designer one, it came damaged, and it came damaged twice, but I didn't have to deal with it the second time because they had COVID, and that's why I haven't been back. It's been, I don't know, about a month since I took it off, and so it's got all the inhibitor in, it's all been filled back up, so all I have to do is top up the pressure and vent this one, but it's already had the inhibitor and everything else done. So come on, stop waffling, let's go get it done, mate. I know I haven't got the same energy as I've had on the last few videos. Reason being, you know I said I had tonsillitis a few days ago? That seems to have now sort of cleared up, but now it's spread to my ears, so I've got like probably an ear infection. And I was up till about 2 in the morning, gargling salt water and squeaking my ear, but I feel a bit better today. It's just I was a little bit tired this morning. That's why I'm a little bit grumpy. No point making videos when you're a bit grumpy, is there? It sounded like what's his name, Bungle. Oh, zippy. Oh. Right, okay, so we can see that a standard size. Wind them in, cut these down. I think I can wind them in quite easily. Or just moving those over a little bit. So you know what brand I use? I only use Smurf glue. Smurf glue is the best. Don't use any other brand, Loctite, all the rest of it. Load of rubbish. Load of rubbish. You got to be on the old Smurf glue, baby. Where can you get it from? Smurf Village. And you have to milk it yourself naturally. All natural. Papa Smurf's own milk juice. Smurf glue. Got plenty on. Like that. Oh yes, baby. Oh yeah, loads on. Oh, that's it. Oh yeah. Oh, there we go. Right, so the old Rapid Smurf glue takes about 10 minutes to go off. So, what have I secured? Oh, it's only another cup of tea. Le Creuset, right? Only the best for the plumber. Look at that, beautiful. You'll notice this as well. I do my best to remove stickers, to remove packaging and everything so that you lot don't go, oh, you must be sponsored by that. Bitch, I have to use things. I have to use things. It's part of my job and I will use decent stuff. Decent stuff obviously is branded, but I just try and take the labels off. And if I'm really feeling fruity, I'll put my own stickers on them. So there you go. That's why, if people have ever noticed that, that's why there's no stickers and labels and stuff. If you want to ask, leave a comment about what a product is and I'll let you know what it is. Same with like hand tools and stuff. Although I am, you know, working alongside the very reputable, amazing tool company that is pretty obvious and clear because all of my tools are the same hand tool brand. Just ask me what they are. I'll put the product code in the description, but I'm not going to bombard you with, oh, you need to buy this. Here's a discount code. So yeah, just ask in the comments if there's anything you're ever interested about what I'm using or whatnot, then yeah, just let me know. Right, so with these, you're not really supposed to use cutters, but if you use the Narad Pros, the blade is good enough to cut these. So I've marked those just there. And these will actually cut through this. Watch. There we go. Takes a little bit longer than usual, but you see they're quite thick. Ward, brass, not soft copper. But yeah, these bad boys. And these are old. You can tell by their chewed up teeth. I've had these a long, long time. Right, bit of paste. Like that. Slip the olive. Paste over the top of the olive. Oh, I don't use paste. Grow up. Grow up. There we go. Right, let's turn it on. And put that on there. Right. That side on. Oh, God, a bit stiff. Let's get some pressure in it. There we go at the back. 1, 2. Ah, there you are. I was looking everywhere for you. Okay, here we go. Oh, right, there we go. And done. There we go. Topped up. Well, so we do some diagnosis of this shower. Black stuff, Fucked. There we go, diagnosed it. Right, that's draining. So what you do is, you see them little plugs, take them at the bottom. If it's, well, you see this one, you can go in from the top to the bottom. You know, you put blanking plugs in the other end. If that blanking plugs are in the bottom, pull them out, then you can just drain it down. It's in a shower, so there we go. Now you can see as well, the cold side should stay on longer than the hot. That's set for safety. So when you're doing a tank, cutting the T's in, you have to cut that so that basically the hot water runs out before the cold, so that people can't get scalded. Right, so the way to get these out, long nose pliers and a flathead. So just the same as any other push fit, that's got to be pushed down as I pulled the other ones out, but now I've just got to push those down and slide the whole unit out because I've got all of the screws out. So they're all ready to go. Oh, it's so hard to fit on the shower area. So I've got nowhere to attach the foam holder to, and then it's just like all shaky. So it's like terrible footage. Right, they both come capped, and then you use this little tool that comes with it. It goes in between there and there. Hang on. And you, oh, come on. Oh, so awkward. Come on, I can't do it one-handed. Oh, I can. That is the best angle that I can get. So, sorry. Silicone grease. Put that around the pipes. And it will help it slide in. There we go. Right, there we go. We're on. Right, so unlike a normal electric shower, see how tiny these cables are? It's because we're not heating up the water in a chamber. You've already got hot water, cold water. So all you're doing is pumping it. So it's just to do this little pump. So a little tip for you, give it a little tug. Right, that is where the original one is, so don't come at me for that, but here we go. On. Then you do hot, cold, stick it in the middle, let it run, purge all the air out, job done. That was so hot in there, I am sweating like a fucking in a playground. Oh, I can't say that on YouTube. I'll work around that one. Anyway, let me catch my breath. Right, there you go. Day done. I knew you was going to start beeping. It's going to get really annoying on this channel. Just keep hearing that beep, beep, beep. I'm a car and I don't look. I'm servicing 300 miles. You can tell this car cost me 300 quid. Anyway, don't forget to subscribe or don't. It does not matter. You can keep coming back and watching. At the end of the day, if you got this far and you're actually hearing me say this bit, then you've given me a view, I suppose. You've made it all this way to this very end. And if you've made it to the end, leave a comment saying, I made it to the end. I am a champion, because you are a champion for making it to the end. My God, look how red and sweaty I am and unfit. I'm out of breath talking. Right, hit that subscribe button, motherfuckers.